Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about dehydrating equipment. But before we jump into that, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, now's a great time. See that little red button right down there I'm pointing to? That subscribe button. Click it, turn it gray, then click the notification bell so you get notified every time I post one of these educational videos. That way you don't miss out on it and you don't get behind the eight ball. All right, dehydrating equipment. Now, I've talked about dehydrating equipment on several of my live streams here on GrayManPrepping and over my other channel, my homesteading and gardening channel, Camp Patton Family Compound, over the last several years. So, I mean, this is not a new topic for me. I've tried, a lot of us, Dave, Uncle Al, Courtney, Rebel Canners, Mouse Toast, have all been talking about, dehydrating stuff. And so if you ever thought about it, you may want to do it, take another look at it. If you are really seriously doing it, check the different equipment, read up on it. Don't just take the first one you find on Amazon. Oh, this got 5 stars on it, or it's got 4.5. I'm going to take it. Find out what its capabilities is for you. Now, there's some other channels out there like Anthony of Palmetto Prepared, who has built a solar dehydrator. And I believe that Reed at Manifestations of Imagination has built one as well. So there's different options. You don't have to get the big high dollar one to do stuff. Now, there's one thing I have learned, and you take this with a grain of salt, and my wife is very opinionated on this. There are the ones with the fan and heater, and the ones with just the fan. When doing certain things like apricots, she wants the ones with the fan and the heater, not just the fan only, because it takes too long to dry it out. Also, if you have the ones with the heater in it, you can do stuff longer into the fall and stuff, and process your apricots, peaches, whatever you're going to be dehydrating, or even making jerky in it, in a time when it's not that warm out, but you can heat up your little dehydrator so it works at optimal efficiency. So check out the different brands, the different models, the different wattages, and see what's going to work best for you. There are a lot of reviews on dehydrators on YouTube, so you can find out what some people have found out that, hey, this is actually better than they said it was, or this thing is a piece of crap. It ain't doing what they say it does. All right, because that can save you some grief. So as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep on adding to your preps water, food, medicine, clothing, skills, and anything else you can think that you might need. Why? Well, this is why.